Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video, we are going to see how to create a PCB design in Autodesk using 360 software. So for that, you have to go to the new button. Then this electronic design is the PCB design. So click here and create a new project. So first you have to create a circuit in schematic. For that you have to create a new schematic. So click here. So this is the workplace of the schematic. So first you have to run the grid. That will make you easy for creating circuit. So click on. Then before doing the works you have to save it. So press Ctrl S. Then you can say if you want to create a new folder you can create. Otherwise you can save it. So in this video we are making a circuit of this circuit. So we need 3 resistors and 2 capacitors and the LED and 555 timer and power supply and ground. So that we need first we get 555 timer. So here this one is the 555 timer. Here you can check the footprints and 3D model of the microcontroller. So this one is through hole footprint and others are surface mount footprint. So I need a through hole microcontroller. So I select this one. So double click and you can get this. Just click. Then you have to press escape to remove this. Then you need 3 resistors. So here you can enter resistor. So here you can see the resistors. So before getting into the workplace, check the footprints of the resistors. So these are the through hole resistors and these are surface mount resistors. So I need the through hole resistor. So I select this one. So I need 3 resistors. Then I need 2 capacitors. These are the capacitors. So select one of those capacitors. So this one is electrolytic capacitor. So I select this one. Then you need a ceramic capacitor. So this one is ceramic capacitor. So you can see here this one is ceramic. So I select this one. Then you need a LED. So this one is the through hole LED. So I select this blue one. So then I need a 9 voltage supply. So for that you have to enter plus V. So here you can select the power supply and you can edit the voltage. So I need 9 voltage. Then you need a ground. So here you can get the ground. Then you can modify the components using this modify section. So you can rotate the components. So select and click the component, then it will automatically rotate. So if you want to mirror the component, then go to modify and click the mirror and click the component, then it will automatically mirror the component. So if you want to add values for the component, click this one and go here. 1 kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohm and 1 kilo ohm. So this one is 10 microfarad. Let's see, 1 microfarad. So after doing this, you have to make the connection. So for that, you can use this net button for making circuit. So so this is the circuit. So circuit for the PCB. So you have to give the power from outside. So that's for that you have to put a pin header for getting power supply. So into EIM H. So here you can see different kind of pin headers. So this one is 2 pin header. This one is 3 pin header. So we only need 2 pin headers. So select this one. So one of the pin here connect to positive power supply and one of the pin connect to ground. So this is our circuit for PCB design. So before moving to the PCB layout, we have to verify the connections and other things. So for that, you have to go to validate section and click ERC. So here there is no error in this circuit, so only a warning message only. So this one is about we connected 9 voltage to P plus. So according to our circuit, this is the requirement, so you can clear it. So this is the way to create schematic sketch for your PCB layout. So in this next video we will see how to create PCB layout for the PCB design. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.